Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Anderson. That's a dumb joke. So I got some information today about the AP test, and so I made this PowerPoint to share with y'all. So let's go through it here. So thing one, when is it? Ours is on May 18th. That's a Monday at 3 p.m. For those of y'all that are taking AP Bio. AP Bio is at noon. You got like 45 minutes. You get like an hour off to boot, rally, do a couple body shots off of myself. And then ours is at 3 p.m. Um, for APES. And by the way, this PowerPoint and other links I'm going to put in the Google Classroom for you. So how is it? Ours is going to be two questions. There's no multiple choice. It's all FRQs because all AP tests are FRQs. There's no multiple choices here. Some AP classes have one FRQ, ours is DOSE. So question one is going to be the design and investigation. Question two is going to be analyze environmental problem and propose a solution. So question one, what's it going to look like? You either on your phone answer the question or on a laptop answer the question. You can even write it on paper and then take a picture and upload that. It's open notes, it's open internet. How are they going to know what you have? They'll have plagiarism software. Apparently, the head guy from AP, went off saying all the plagiarism software they have. So don't plagiarize, write your own words. And then so you have 25 minutes to do it, 5 minutes to upload your response, and then here comes question two. You cannot go back to question one once you've done question two, once you started question two. Then you do question two. You have 15 minutes to do that one, 5 minutes to upload it, and you're done. If something goes wrong during the uploading process, you're kind of like automatically out. You have to do the makeup test. We'll talk about that in a second. What's it gonna be over some more? So you're gonna be designing an experiment, analyzing a visual, a graph, or something like that for question one. For question two, environmental concepts. Um, Typically, it's gonna be like, what's a problem? Environmental problem. What's an environmental solution? And so I have my guesses as to what these might be. These are just my guesses, but which unit will it be? Well, we know it's not going to be number eight, unit eight or unit nine, because those have already been eliminated for us. So that leaves what AP calls 1 through 7. We did unit one first, so I call that unit one. So if you look, these big boys in the middle, that's 40 to 60% of the AP year at a glance. Well, getting rid of these guys, we know it's probably even more. So if I was betting, I would bet that it would be on populations, earth systems, land use, energy consumption, plus atmospheric pollution. So it's pretty good. But I bet it's one of these four big boys. Maybe this guy will be question one and this guy will be question two. But I don't think so. I have some more guesses. So we know it's not going to be on pollution, aquatic pollution, and we know unfortunately it's not going to be on global change. Um, Noticing that the living worlds a lot, I would be very very surprised if question two was on living world. Here's what I'm thinking. So if I was queen, king, um, I bet question one would be on Earth systems. We designed an experiment on Earth systems for this very reason. Um, so maybe it'll be design an experiment for soil permeability, exactly like the one we did. That'd be dope. Interpret the results of an ENSO investigation, El Nino Southern Oscillation. Design a study for impacts of clear cutting in a watershed. So maybe you're like, what water quality test would you do? Nitrates, phosphates. Remember all those guys? And then maybe it would be like interpret a graph or of an experiment for rain shadows. So that's the designing an experiment question one. Maybe question two is on land use. Land use is a real like good. You can incorporate like a whole bunch of different topics. So maybe propose a solution for fertilizer runoff. Maybe propose a solution to pesticide use, the pesticide treadmill. So I use IPM, integrated pest management. Propose a solution for urban surface runoff. So because of the sprawl, we have runoff. So maybe propose a solution to sprawl, urbanization. So we have smart growth. How do we incentivize that? So if I was king, that's what I would make my two questions be over. These are 100% guesses, but I think they're kind of educated guesses. So maybe that's what you want to be focused